Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with another tutorial for you guys, and it's on this look right here. I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and I created this look using the new collection that E.L.F Cosmetics came out with the Beauty Escape people from last year. And I'm so happy to say that my friend Yuri was part of it, and I'm so excited to try the products. And obviously I created this look. So once again, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, but before you start watching, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you guys want to know how to get this look, please keep on watching. So today I'm going to be using the new collection from E.L.F, the Modern Metals. I'm going to be using the palette and along with the blush and highlighter palette. And it also came with two lipsticks. One is a matte finish, the other one is a lip gloss. I'm not really into lip glosses, so I might not be using this one, but for sure I'm going to be using this one. And I'm very excited because this collection was in collaboration with Beauty Community, and along with one of them is my friend Yuri. So I'm really excited to try these. So these are the colors that come in the palette. I already swatched it on my Instagram, so that's why it looks like this. I'm going to start off by using the shade right here. And I'm going to apply that color as my brow bone highlight. And these colors are very pigmented, you guys. And if you hear a noise in the background, it's my fan. It's kind of hot in my room, so I have the fan on, so excuse the noise. Next I'm going to go in with the shade right here, and I'm going to use it as a transition color. Next I'm going to go in with this shade right here. And I'm just applying this one just to the outer corner. Next I'm just going to go in with some concealer. And I'm just going to clean up my eyelid. And I'm just going to be taking this shade right here. And like I said, these colors are very pigmented. I'm going to go back in with this shade right here. I'm just going to be applying it to the outer corner. And taking that same shade, I'm going to apply it to the bottom lash line. Taking this shade right here, I'm going to apply it to the inner corner as my highlight. Next, I'm taking my Mellow Cosmetics Precise Eyeliner to do my eyeliner. For eyelashes, I'm going to be using the Lily Lashes in the style Mykonos. And I'll be applying them off camera. I do have a detailed video on how to apply eyelashes in detail, so I will link it somewhere around here so you guys could watch it, and I'll be right back. To contour, I'm going to be using my Makeup Geek Fair Lady Face Palette. And I'm going to be using this shade right here, which is Radiant. Next, I'm just going to go in with some Airspun translucent powder to define my contour. And I'm going to go in with the E.L.F Modern Metals palette. For blush, I'm going to be using this shade right here in the middle. Then I'm going to be taking this shade right here. I'm just going to be brushing off the translucent powder. For highlight, I'm going to be taking this shade right here. to set everything, I'm going to be using my LA Girl Pro Powder. The lips, I'm going to be taking the E.L.F. Liquid Matte Lipstick that came in with the collection. This is the final look, and I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!